So only possibility is the shortwave listening. But after the cleaning, this band switch and also the tuning is quite smooth, a little bit spray can be, and this tone control is also, you see, making cracking, and the volume control. This radio will sound better. I have gone through a supermarket nearby Finland and I bought this WD-40. I could not find any other contact cleaner, but I think this will do the job. Later on, we'll open the radio and I show you inside how it looks like. But on the shortwave, it's receiving very well. I just put a wire. Look, this is the wire. I just put, this is the wire. So it serves as an antenna. And we are able to receive stations as far as China, USA. So this is the back side of the radio. I can show you. And this is a label where you can see that was sold in 397 crowns, 3250 Texas, in Warsaw, a small city not very far from here.